Hi, my name is Minbon. Today I will share with you how to make handmade socks. This is warm and you can avoid unexpected allergy from the materials. You can make your own size that suit or fit you well. We will prepare 6 materials: a piece of paper, pencil, circle needle, pair of scissors, a ball of yarn, darning needles. First, you have to step on the paper and mark the borders of your foot using a pencil. We will check the height and width. We will calculate our foot size using this method. For example, your feet height is 27 cm. We have to minus 10 cm and minus 2 cm again. First, we have to make 16 cast-on stitches like this. After that, we have to increase the number of stitches on each level by 2 and we have to do it 10 times. Now we have made the top part. Next, we have to continue making 36 cast-on stitches for 15 cm or according to the calculation. After that, we put a mark indicating where to start stitching for our ankle part. For the ankle part, we have to do same stitch method when we did top part, but reverse order. For example, the last number of stitches for the top part was 36. Then we have to reduce 2 stitches each layer 10 times. After the heel part, we have to continue to the leg part. You can freely decide if you want long leg part or short leg part. If your country has very severe winter, I recommend making a long one. Lastly, we have to make the opening, and it should be looser than other parts. And this is how we make it. By using the stitch, it allowed the socks to be worn by all sizes. For the final step, we have to use our darning needle to stitch in the remaining thread. Some socks are not suitable for machine wash, but this one is. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.